Going for medium. And we got it. Perfection. Everyone's always telling me to not drink milk anymore because it's gross. So I'm not going to drink milk anymore. Alright, today we have an egg with some cheese. I don't know what it was, but I saw so many videos with eggs. And it just looks pretty good today. This is so good with hard butter on it. Like, take some butter on that piece of steak. I was gonna make chicken wing dip. I opened the bag of chicken. I don't think I've smelled anything so bad in my entire life.